I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to install the Filtrete Clean Living Basic Dust Filter for your home's furnace or air conditioner. So installation is super simple. The first thing you're going to do is find the air intake register for your system. So this is mine. They're usually again going to be about the size of the filter, obviously, and you can feel with your hand and feel that it's not blowing air, it's pulling air into your system. So sometimes these are mounted on the ceiling. In my case, it's horizontal on the wall here, and they often have these little latches that allow you to open it. So I'm just going to open these latches, and I'm going to pop the cover open. You can see my existing filter is in there. And if you haven't changed your filters in a while, you should change them about every 3 months ideally. This will get caked in dust over time. So I'm going to pop out the filter that was in there previously. And now I've got this big exposed piece on the inside here, which is where the air is flowing into my HVAC system. Now I'm going to take my Filtrete filter, and I'm going to look around the outside, so you can see it says airflow there with an arrow. So if I put this in, it's going to be backwards. The airflow is going into this unit. So I'm going to flip this around, and I'm just going to align it in the grooves in here. Okay, so it's aligned. I've got my airflow pointing into this, and then I'm just going to pop it in. It should fit perfectly if you've chosen the right filter size for your system. Covering up that space, looking good. And then I'm going to go ahead and just close this register back up. Sometimes you have to kind of give it a little push to click it in. I'm going to put these locks back on, test it, make sure it's not going to fall open, and we are good to go. That filter is installed, and I'm good for another 3 months of filtration here. So a really simple install process, really good quality filter, and there it is, filtering out the dust on the air coming into my HVAC system.